EasyCopy, the easiest tool when working with graphics. Welcome to this EasyCopy training video. Today I will demonstrate how you can remove the background color from your file. I have opened an image of a borehole and I want to make the image stand out more clearly, and changing the background colors makes it more visible. In order to do that, I right-click and then select image color. All I need to do now to remove the black background is change the remove background from 0 to 1. However, in some cases, like this one, it can make the text become very difficult to read. If this happens, you can work around this by putting the background color back to 0 and instead make changes in output and reversal mode. This is especially great when you're working with dark background color, as it allows you to save ink and avoid bleeding in the printing process. Thanks for watching, and please direct any questions to sales@myeasycopy.com.